Welcome to Ford PowerForce Tech Talk. In this series, we'll focus on tips to help you fix Ford and Lincoln vehicles right the first time. When checking a modular 3-valve engine for a restriction in the lubrication system, first do an inspection for sludge. You may have already inspected for a general lack of maintenance, but also verify that no sludge exists in the engine. Sludge can lead to repeat repairs. The first place to look for clues is inside the oil filter. If you cut the oil filter apart, check for a deteriorating oil filter, which can be a sign of a lack of maintenance, as this could deposit filter media in the variable cam timing or VCT valve body assembly and solenoid. Also inspect for metallic debris. Remember, a little bit of metal distribution is normal. One speck of metal doesn't mean an internal engine failure. However, a significant amount of metal in the filter could signify an internal engine issue. If you check the filter and find colored flecks similar to these, and you're working on a Ford remanufactured engine, there's no cause for concern. That's just the paint used during the assembly process. It will not affect engine operation or durability. This shouldn't be mistaken for bearing failure, so carefully inspect for colored flakes versus metallic flakes. Also, check the cylinder head and VCT valve body for sludge, metallic debris, or filter media. The VCT valve body assembly is fed oil from the number 1 cam bore. You can check inside the valve body assembly, the VCT solenoid, and oil passages within the cylinder head to verify either metal, sludge, or filter media are in the system. Debris or sludge in any of these locations can cause the restriction of oil flow. If further inspection is required, especially if previous repairs have been performed, such as cylinder head replacement, it may be necessary to remove the oil pan and inspect the cylinder block too for excessive sludge or debris. Next, let's look at the kinds of mechanical issues that can play a role in VCT concerns. When your diagnosis finds the cause of a failure is wiring, the remedy is available. Motorcraft has a complete line of wiring sets and kits, including nearly 850 pigtail kits, to help make reliable, OE-quality repairs on Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. Connectors range from a 1-cavity to a 98-cavity, and pigtail kits include the wiring pigtail, heat shrink tubing, and butt splices. Using an OE connector pigtail kit provides the best possible fit and a reliable, long-lasting connection. And when you're choosing parts for all of your repairs, remember that Motorcraft parts feature a 2-year, unlimited mileage warranty. That's all for this post. Thanks for watching, and check out the rest of our series of installation and repair tips for Ford and Lincoln vehicles. For more information on Ford or Motorcraft parts, contact your Ford or Lincoln dealer or distributor or visit fordparts.com.